Hi, it's Vinny, Shelter Cove Marina. I'm going to quickly demonstrate the ease of operation to fold and redeploy your Bimini top on a 29 OBX. First thing you want to do is remove the lower pins on here. And you can also bring this down to the bottom button. It makes it a little bit easier to take it off. Fold these up into place there. Pop the pin out, makes it a little bit easier. Now that that's done, walk over to the front and pull down on the front of the Bimini top and remove the pins from the arch. Pull down and it comes out. Same thing on this side. Pull down, pull the pin out, and remove. Next, you want to slide these two slides down simultaneously. So release this one, release the one over here, and then just gently wiggle it down to the stops on the bottom. Push the pins, lock them in place, and then fold up the back. After this is done, you can put on the Bimini boot. To easily put on the Bimini boot, you can lower the arch a bit, and now you have plenty of room and height to put the Bimini boot on. Start with the center hole of the boot, wrap it around, and it zips up. After that, bring it up and you're set to go. To redeploy it, you do it in the exact opposite fashion. Release these bars from the pins. Slide this up. Both of these slides in between the two pins. Pull your back Bimini out. Pull down on the front to easily install the ball joints here. Install the pin. Pull down. And then to the back, slide this to the last hole. Lightly pull down on the back. Install the pin. Same thing on this side, pin on the bottom. Install the ball joint into the mount. Slide in the pin. Now pull down on the back as you push the button in, and it'll lock in and make the Bimini top nice and tight. Same thing on this side, and you're all set. See you out on the water.